This is day 592 of daily solving problem of the day. Now, we are going with this question check if array is good or not. So we need to just return the Boolean type, right? So here we need to return true if the given array is good, otherwise return false. I'll tell you what the array will be good, when the array will be good, or when the array will be bad, right? So we are also going with some examples and all, right? So let us take this example 1332, right? So I am given with this example 1332. Now imagine this is something like a permutation. Now, what will be the first form, or if you can say that what will be the initial form of this array? It will be something like 1, 2, double 3. Now, what is the size of this array? 4. So, every array, if I sort it, had will need to be becoming like this: 1, 2, 3, and so on, n minus 1, comma n minus 1. That's it. That's what I am saying. Here, n is nothing but 4. N is equal to 4. N minus 1 is equal to 3. So, what the ideal array will look like in this question is nothing but 1, 2, 3, and so on. If the array size, the total size of the array, total size is equal to n, then here it should be n minus 1, comma n minus 1. Same like 1, 2, 3, and then 3. That's it. That's how we'll return true. Or if it is not in that form of the sorting, we'll return false. Let us take this example 344, 1 to 1. So 344, 344, 1 to 1. Now I'll just sort it, right? If I just sort it, I'll get it like double 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. What I said to you, I'll just compare it with my form. Where is this n? Let's take what is this n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n is equal to 6. The ideal form should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, n minus 1, and then n minus 1. But if you see 1 and 1, yes, that's good. 1 and 2, they are not equal. It should be 2, but it is 1. So our algorithm is simple. Just sort it, right? And go till n, if you see n is equal to 6, I'll go till here. What is this one, right? This is nothing but n minus 1. This is n minus 1. So I'll go till n minus 1. Nothing but for I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus. What I am comparing here, it is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 0. For 0, it is 1. For 1, it is 2. For 2, it is 3. For 3, it is 4. For 4, it is 5. Right? And the last number should be equal to n minus 1. That's it. If it is not equal, we'll return false. So the pseudo code goes like, if nums of I is not equal to I plus 1, then we will return false there. That's it, right? I'm going till I is less than n minus 1, n is equal to 6. And who will compare this one? We need to compare this last one. So nums dot back should be equal to n minus 1. If it is not equal, we'll return false. If not, we'll return true at the end. Return true at the end. So I have also given the link of this code. Go and check it. And if you have any doubts regarding this problem, please let me know. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Keep supporting, and I'll be keep solving these problems. Thank you.